Let's go.
We made it.
Oh my.
We literally took out all the dirt from the track.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. But I think we lost for sure. He's cooler. We can take notes though. I mean,
he's got the diffuser. You don't have the diffuser.
He's got the carbon top. He's got the carbon package.
Literally, I mean.
However, we got some racing stickers on the side, so I don't know. It's like pretty even.
Grip. Basically, the cars are almost identical, but there are some differences. Shoot my leg, shoot my leg. Oh my gosh.
It hurts, it hurts.
Shoot Scott, shoot Scott, shoot Scott.
Oh! Oh!
Not the car. Oh, or not, okay.
Oh, my head!
Half of them are not shooting.
Yeah, I noticed that.
I had one.
More ammo, baby.
Okay, we have so much ammo. Alright, Scott, you want to be like my test subject?
Oh my gosh. Oh my, dude, give me that. Give me that. Give me that. No, Scott.
Everyone
No,
wants this.
Scott, give me that. Scott, I'm the cameraman. No.
Scott, I didn't do anything. I didn't shoot you.
Shoot him.
Show me the head, bro.
I didn't
Run,
shoot
run,
you.
run.
Give me that. No. I shot you once.
Wait, what?
You are cheap.
The key is not in the car.
The key, but it's
I thought the key was in the car. I was gonna just drive off.
No, oh my god. Oh my. Oh.
No, why'd you let it shot you?
Because he was pulling. Oh.
Oh. Come on, Tim, beat this.
Tim?
You have the gun, don't you?
I don't have the gun. Well, I might have the gun, but you need to get out of here.
Okay.
Oh.
No. Owen.
I gotta see the money.
We can talk about this.
Scott, you look.
Please don't. Owen.
There's literally a mark on my elbow, Scott.
I'm calling Scott.
You have his number?
Call Scott. Where's Scott? Oh, dang it. Scott?
No, we'll get the Lexus keys. We'll do like a drive-by. Turn the lights out, just like roll down the windows.
Yes, oh my god. Bro, he's not gonna answer. Scott?
What's up, buddy?
What's up?
Hey, buddy.
I think you need to come outside of the garage.
Kind of around back right now.
You're in the back?
Wait, okay, I'm in.
I will find you.
Hang on.
I will. Stay back there. Make this fun. Don't ruin this.
Okay.
Okay. Bye. Love you.
Bye, love you.
You hung up before you heard that. Can you see anything?
Inside and grab the keys. We'll set up base at the car.
Yes! Go, chase, let's go. Okay, so basically we're just running around chasing Tim's brother and his friend with the splatterball gun, and it's kind of just like a game. We have the Lexus key. We're about to go inside the Lexus. Here's the C8 Corvette they have. We're gonna do a shoot with it tomorrow morning. Yeah, you'll see what the video has more to bring in a second. Where's Scott?
He's like back there, yo. He dipped. He like threw his phone.
No.
Like he's like all the way down there. Oh.
Scott, you get back here.